Hytech Didactic Assembly Station is a Mechatronics-based training system designed to carry out automated assembly of 4 different parts with pneumatically and electrically actuated process. Automated bearing dispensing station is also provided in the system. Entire station is programmed and operated with SIEMENS PLC and HMI. Users can have hands-on experience on the remote commissioning as well through Siemens Mechatronics Concept Designer software. Assembly station is an individual station which can be integrated with high-tech computer integrated manufacturing system. When integrated with computer integrated manufacturing system, raw jobs are loaded in the assembly station by gantry mounted robot, whereas in an individual system, these raw jobs are loaded manually. User can change the process as well as the PLC ladder and HMI screens depending on training requirements. This station is designed to provide students with real-time industrial automation process and integration of various automation components such as PLC, HMI, servo motors, auto feeders, pneumatic press process, etc.